In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert the price scale in TradingView. If you've ever wanted to flip a chart so that downtrends appear as uptrends, or you're comparing an asset with an inverse relationship, inverting the scale is a quick way to see the market from a different angle. Let's walk through it clearly and keep it simple. First, open your browser and head to the TradingView website. You don't need any special setup for this. The feature is available right inside the standard charting interface. Once you're on the home page, look for the navigation at the top. Hover over or click on Products, then select Supercharts. This opens the full featured charting experience where you can apply all the settings we'll use today. When the chart loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the right place. You should see your chart in the center, with the time axis running along the bottom. We're going to find the settings for the price scale, which are located near the lower right corner of the chart area. Specifically, look just above the timeline at the bottom. You'll see a small settings icon, typically a gear. Click that gear to open the chart settings panel. Inside the settings, look for the option labeled Invert Scale. This toggle flips the vertical orientation of the price axis so that higher prices appear toward the bottom and lower prices appear toward the top. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, you'll see the entire chart invert vertically. Candles and indicators will reorient to match the new scale, but don't worry, your data isn't changed. Only the visual perspective is. This view can be especially helpful for spotting patterns that are easier to recognize when flipped, or for analyzing markets that tend to move opposite one another. If you're testing a strategy or checking symmetry between rallies and pullbacks, the inverted scale can make those relationships pop. If you want to return to the normal view at any time, simply open the same settings gear and uncheck Invert Scale. It's a non-destructive toggle, so switching back and forth won't affect your drawings, indicators, or saved layouts. If you don't see the gear, make sure your mouse is hovering over the chart area so the on-chart controls appear, and confirm you're in the Supercharts interface. That's all there is to it. Open TradingView, go to Products and choose Supercharts. Click the settings gear near the bottom right above the time axis and turn on Invert Scale. You're done, and you've got a new perspective on the market.